This one on my right hand side is the one baked with butter. And you can kind of see the inside. I'll just split it open so you can see. This guy is the margarine version. So both bottoms turned out nice and brown. Inside looks pretty similar. If you're just looking at it with your bare eyes, you probably won't know the difference. So this is the butter one on the right hand side. And when you break it apart, it's very chewy. You can see that nice chewy texture to it. And then over here we have the margarine version. And it's not the same texture. It's not as chewy. The consistency is definitely different. It's more bread and crumbly like, as opposed to this chewy version on the right, which is the butter. And then the most important thing is that it smells like butter, tastes like butter, and you can actually notice the butter flavors when you smell it and taste it. And then on the other hand, well, on the left hand side, we have the margarine version. It really smells like Play-Doh. It doesn't smell like butter. It doesn't have that nice baked good smell to it at all. Butter is obviously fat, a version of fat. So when you cook with it, you can really taste that fat, that really nice rich flavor. The margarine, on the other hand, is made out of vegetable oil and water. And since there's so much water and vegetable oil doesn't really have much taste, you get not that much flavor when you bake with it. So when you're making cookies or baking any kind of baked goods, I would highly recommend that you stick with butter. You'll get that rich, flavorful taste. It really makes a difference and takes your cookies and baked good to a whole new level. So I would highly recommend that you stick with butter. Okay, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this choose your own adventure cooking video. And have you tried baking with margarine or butter before? If you have, comment below and let me know.